Hey, it's me, your girl, the Pamela, and welcome into my first cooking video that I'm posting here on my channel. Today's dinner is tilapia with garlic parmesan green beans and some parmesan couscous. This meal turned out so good. Here I'm just seasoning my green beans. I normally bake my green beans in the oven at about 425 for about 30 minutes, just until they get really tender. So here I'm just seasoning with some salt and some garlic and onion powder. I also like to add some red pepper chili flakes, just for a little touch of spice, just a little kick, not too much. I gotta take it easy on the kick because my acid reflux does not like kick. But there I just added my black pepper, getting that on there really good. That's gonna add some more kick, but I gotta make sure the pepper, I can see the pepper. When I season my food, I need to see the pepper on there. So yeah, there's the pepper flakes. Just getting just a little bit of those on there, not too much. And gonna mix those up really good. I also added some olive oil at the beginning. And here I'm just putting on a couple tablespoons of garlic, because this is a garlic parmesan green bean dish that I like to do. And the mixture of the garlic and the parmesan is just top notch. So I always like to incorporate those together. So here I'm just mixing it up really good, making sure all those seasonings, oh, and I lost a green bean, mixing a little too hard. But I'm just making sure that all of the seasonings are just mixed in really good together. And I like to, when I season my food, I like to give it a smell test, just to make sure I get a hint of all the seasonings that I used. And after I did my smell test, I felt like I needed to add a little more pepper. I don't know. I mean, I guess it makes sense because you eat with your nose first. So something can smell a little too salty, or that is lacking a certain seasoning. So here I'm just putting my green beans in the oven. I think the oven may be on like 400. And I'm gonna let these cook for at least 30 minutes. I don't really know. I just test them. If they snap how I want to, then I know they're done. So now I'm just getting my couscous together. And I like the Aldi's brand of couscous. So here I'm just adding the water and the butter. And just gonna cook these according to the package. But it's basically, you bring the water to a boil, add the content of the couscous package, take it off the heat immediately, stir it, and then take it off the heat immediately, cover it, and let it just sit. So it only takes about 5 minutes for it to sit, but I normally just get it out of the way and just let it sit while I'm cooking my meat. So there I was just stirring it some, and now I'm about to pull it off the heat. See, it's all stirred so beautifully. I want to add that top to it, the cover to it, and just let it sit while I get the tilapia cooking. Now tilapia gets a bad rap, but tilapia is such an easy, healthy protein for me. I've lost 30 pounds over the last 3 years, and this year in particular, I really got my eating under control, because I work out, I walk my dog, I lift weights. So the whole time that I've been working out, I haven't really been serious about my nutrition, but this year I have gotten serious about it, and tilapia has been a great addition to my regular meals in helping me get my protein and being a lean, healthy option for me. So I do tilapia. So So here, I took my green beans out of the oven. I'm just adding the Parmesan cheese. So I'm just going to stir in the cheese, and this will go back in the oven to melt, maybe for about 5 more minutes, because at this point it's already been in the oven for at least 30 minutes. So I want to, and the green beans they are tender to my preference. You know, some people like their veggies to have a little snap. Some like them a little mushier. I like my veggies personally to have a good little snap, but not too overcooked. So I'll just put these back in the oven with the Parmesan cheese just to get it nice and melted for about 5 more minutes. So here, the meal is done, and I'm about to plate it up. I love me a nice crisp white bowl. The aesthetics of putting my good meals on these bowls is just top notch, and it just gives it such a, I don't know, it's a little fancier to me eating out of the white bowls. So here I'm trying to control my portion, so I'm measuring out maybe about a half a cup of couscous, and according to the package, that's going to give me the calories for the serving amount that I want. So that's about a little more. I had to go back and get a little more than a half a cup. That's a fourth a cup measuring spoon that I'm using. So I got my couscous nice and portioned out. And now the tilapia should be entering the picture at any minute. There it goes. Tilapia goes right on top. Looking good already. This meal came out so good. This is one of my go-to meals. I don't make it every week, but I'm going to try to incorporate this into my meal plan every week because it's very filling and it's a nice, easy, healthy meal. So there are the green beans that are going down onto my plate to round out this very tasty meal. And also, I didn't mention what I seasoned my tilapia with. I just seasoned my tilapia with Mermaid's Revenge, blackened seasoning, smoked paprika, however you say it, salt and pepper. That's all I season all my seafood with. Blackened seasoning, smoked paprika, and salt and pepper. So there I just added me a kombucha to my meal. I was able to get 2 more days of meals with this meal, with this dinner. So that worked out well. So I got to enjoy this meal for 2 more days. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you like tilapia in the comments.